In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a saved search on LinkedIn. If you've been searching for people, companies, or jobs and want to wipe that trail clean, LinkedIn makes it quick. Before we start, a quick note for clarity. What we're clearing here is the search history that shows up when you click the search bar. LinkedIn treats this as search history, not a saved search, but it's what most people mean when they want to remove a saved search. First, open LinkedIn and sign into your account. Once you're logged in and on your homepage, go straight to the top of the screen and click into the search bar. You'll see a drop-down with your recent queries. Look for the option that says Clear or Clear All. Select that. When you do, LinkedIn will show a confirmation message to explain what's about to happen. It will remind you that only you can see your search history and that it's used to give you more relevant suggestions. This prompt is there to make sure you really want to remove everything. If you're certain, choose Clear History to confirm. That action removes your recent searches from the drop-down tied to the search bar. You won't see those past terms anymore, and LinkedIn suggestions may feel a bit more general for a while since they're no longer personalized based on those cleared searches. That's normal, and recommendations will adapt again as you continue searching. If you clicked Clear History by mistake, there isn't an undo for this specific action, so pause for a moment to make sure you're ready before you confirm. Otherwise, you're all set. That's the entire process. Open LinkedIn, click the search bar, choose Clear or Clear All, confirm by selecting Clear History, and you're done. A quick recap to keep in mind: clearing your search history doesn't delete your profile data, your connections, or anything you've posted. It simply removes the list of recent searches you see in that dropdown, and it's only visible to you in the first place. Clearing it can be helpful if you're switching focus, sharing your screen, or just want a fresh start, but remember that it may temporarily change your personalized results. And that's how to delete a saved search on LinkedIn. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more quick guides like this, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.